welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below or at the end of this video. But today, I'm gonna be doing an app revealing video. And I know you guys have been waiting for this one, and I'm so sorry if it's so late because I've been working because there's no school and I feel like I need to be productive. And you know, money. Time is money. So, supposed to be gold, but well, a lot of people has been asking me what editor, what app, what just how do I make the stories that I've been posting, and everyone is like curious because did you actually edit it on like computer just to make a story? So everyone's asking me and everyone's complimenting me, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to make your own too. So for this video, I will be teaching you guys how to use the app. And yes, it's an app. Oh god, thank you that someone made this app because it's so great. It's like everyone thinks you're using a software. It's not a software that you use with your computer or your laptop. It's an app. You can use this with your phone. I'm not sure if they have it on Samsung or Play Store, but I know for sure they have it on iOS. And yeah, it's an app. I will be going through on how to use the app, what comes with the app, how exactly I make the videos that I posted on my story. There is a watermark in the video, but I did something to take it out. So pretty much I'll put everything in this video on how I did everything with the watermark. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. The app is called dun 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 dun. It's called VCUS, or I don't know, VCUS. It's a short video shooting app that's really easy to use, and it has a lot of effects with it. This app has a smart storyboard generator for on-spot footage with rhythm and tempo. Let's go ahead and open the app. These are the music that are included in the app. I'm not sure if you can add on music. Just wanna get to know you, baby. They show examples as well. I'm gonna go ahead and make one video, and for music I chose YOLO Swag, and it brings you to a camera, and on the lower left there's a plus button. That's where you can put pictures and video from your gallery. You can just go ahead and select a picture or video for those 1, 2, 3 sections. You also have a choice of which clip do you want to put into your videos. What I'm trying to do here is that I want to match the beat where I stopped doing the I don't know what you call it, the stopping thingy. And yeah, so you just have to be creative with this app. And for this one, I honestly just need a filler in between. I'm not really sure what music is next. Like I didn't listen to the whole music earlier, but yeah, I just need a filler. And for the last one, since all these videos are from TikTok, I have some clips that has a slow motion in it already, so I don't have to like edit. But yeah, if you need to make your videos in a slow motion, go ahead. You can use like Snapchat, record a video, put the slow motion or fast forward, and you can put it in here. Like, you know, just be creative with whatever app you have. You don't really need an app to make videos, like great videos. You can like recycle. And this is how the video looked after picking whatever clips. You can change the filter of the video. There's so much filters that's in here, and as of right now they're not asking you to pay for it, but I suggest that you use it while you can, while they're not charging for it, because once this app gets out there and everyone start using it, I'm pretty sure they're gonna start charging you. And for the next step, go ahead and open up your app store and search Unfold. It's an app that has templates that can be used for both pictures and videos. If you're subscribed to my channel, you already know about this app because I already talked about this on my other video, and if you want to check it out, I'll link down below. And as for the templates, you can pick whatever template you want. You can zoom in, zoom out with the videos or pictures, and you can also change the frame itself. And like I said on my other video, there's more things you can do with Unfold. You can even make a picture into a frame. Like I know it's kind of hard to understand, but if you watch my other video, it's gonna make sense. And you should watch my other video. You should definitely watch my other video. I'm gonna go ahead and press the description box, and you're gonna see the link there. Go watch it now. Watch it right now. Okay, jokes aside, but yeah, this app is really great. You can even put fonts and there's so much. You just have to play around the app, because you never know that there's so much things you can do with just one app. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching, and if you guys have any questions, just comment down below. So I paid for the 2 of them. The other one, I'm thinking about it. So it has really neat shit, for reals, man. It has Polaroids. If you're looking for the Polaroid shit, it's in here, and it's high quality, not just Polaroid stuff and then put your picture in it. No, it's high quality, and then it has so much. This app already has the text feature.